Should we follow our passion or choose a stable career? What do you think? Hey everyone, I'm an English learner and I'm here to improve my English. And if you are a beginner like me, so you can practice with me. So, in my opinion, we should not only choose a stable career or only choose a passion. If possible, so we can choose. We can choose a stable career that supports yourself and keep working on your passion in your free time. And you know what? Today I searched a lot because I was very confused about this, because when you are at this stage where we need to decide a stable career or a passion, so you know what, your mind thinking we need to choose a stable career, but your heart says no, we need to follow passion, and that battle creates frustration, like a depression. We are we're confused that time, and we sometimes we choose the wrong path to start our balanced life. So if you are to start a balanced life, so we need to first choose a stable career, because today I searched a lot and I listened many listeners who shared their opinion, and I realized, yeah, first we need to find a stable career according to your financial situation. If we choose a stable career, so we can support yourself, your family, our family, and our whatever we need, we can fulfill our desire if we have a stable career. And you know what, I doesn't say you don't follow your passion. You know what? Why? Because in your free time you can working on your passion, and when it's become a successful, you can start with full time your career with your passion. So totally depend on your passion, not correct decision. Because still I'm confused. Later a few days I was very confused that things. So I decided, let's search and try to understand this thing. So today I understood. First we need to prefer a stable career, so that we can provide a stable life, our family, and we can balance our life, and we can't have we don't need too much take a pressure, because it is a life, so take it very easy and see the decision very smartfully, and you can make your decision on yourself. Try to understand whatever is going on around you, like that things decide your mind thinking. If yours around is going something wrong, so your mind indicate that point, it's not suitable for you. So I can't say always mind is wrong. Sometimes mind is very right at any at various kind of situation, and I agree with that, because in your home, in your family, finance crash, so your mind told you choose a stable career, and you need to choose a stable career first. And in a free time you need to work with, and if you are very passionate about your passion, so you can keep working with your passion. Like, I was very confused, but I'm very clear about these things, and that's why I thought let's share with you, and I want also know your opinion. So you can, you know what, I hope you can comment in a comment section and share your opinion. What do you think about this? Like a stable career or a passion? Because I was totally confused about this. So I just want to listen your opinion. So please share your opinion. And you know what? I want to see your perspective. What do you think? Like whatever I listen, whatever I start the video, whatever I watch the video, I understood a stable career is first. So what do you think? Please comment and at you know what, at any kind of situation what we need to decide. Also you can explain in a comment, and I always say you try to write in English a little bit more. So this is all for today, and we will meet in the next video.